Life expectancy for a person with end-stage heart failure. The life expectancy for a person with end-stage heart failure will depend on the severity of the condition and how they have responded to treatment. Once heart failure progresses to stage D, people experience poor quality of life and high symptom burden and face a median life expectancy for only 6 to 12 months. According to a 2019 review, the average survival rates of people with heart failure are as follows. 86.5% of people with heart failure survive for 1 year. 72.6% of people with heart failure survive for 2 years. 56.7% of people with heart failure survive for 5 years. 34.9% of people with heart failure survive for 10 years. The overall 5-year survival rate for people with heart failure is around 60%. A 2019 analysis indicated that 91% of people who receive a heart transplant live for at least 1 year. However, the median survival rate post-transplant is 12 to 13 years. According to a small single study, the survival rates for people who receive a left ventricular assist device after 2, 3 and 4 years are approximately 71%, 62% and 45%. Signs that someone with heart failure is near the end of life. Some physical signs that a person is near the end of their life may include breathlessness on rest or minimal exertion, pain, persistent cough, fatigue or extreme tiredness, limited physical activity, fluid retention, cognitive impairment like problems with memory, language, speech or even sudden confusion, nausea and loss of appetite. People with end-stage heart failure can experience many different feelings and emotions. They may experience sadness, anger, anxiety, depression, helplessness or as if they have no control over their life, unable to deal with the reactions of others. If a person is experiencing depression or anxiety, they may wish to seek treatment from a mental health professional. Treatments may include cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT. End-stage heart disease is the most severe form of heart disease. A person with this condition will need medical intervention to stay alive, often involving a mixture of medications, procedures, or medical devices. The symptoms of end-stage heart disease include trouble breathing, exhaustion, weight loss, changes in skin color, swelling, and abdominal pain all or most of the time. This can progressively worsen. Caring for someone with end-stage heart failure may involve providing physical and emotional support. Talk with family members about seeking hospice care.